Hi everyone, I'm excited to have you here on my channel. Today I'll be showing 4 different methods to braid a voluminous ponytail that gives the illusion of extensions and hide the elastic band. I'm sure that you'll like at least one of these methods. Let's start with the first option, which is slightly more complicated but currently the most popular on my channel. Start by gathering some hair from the top of your head and tying it into a small ponytail using a thin elastic band. Twist it outward from the bottom to the top and gently pull out some hair for added volume. Set it aside for now. Next, gather the remaining hair from below and form another ponytail using a thin elastic band. Now bring the top ponytail backward. Carefully insert 2 fingers and pull the bottom ponytail through. Take your time with this step to avoid tangling the hair. Once you've pulled the tail through, the lower ponytail will be on top and the upper one will be underneath. Pull up the lower ponytail, then of course the upper one. Your hairstyle is complete, you'll notice the difference immediately. This method might take a bit of practice. I didn't get it right the first time either, but if you prefer something simpler, you can try the next option. Gather all your hair into a regular ponytail and twist it outward from the bottom to the top. Pull it up. If your hair isn't too heavy, you can stop here. Otherwise, secure a ponytail with a claw clip and let your hair down. This will ensure your hairstyle lasts for a long time. Now onto the third method, which is even easier and requires only a claw clip, no elastic band. Part your hair vertically into 2 sections. Cross one section over the other and bring the lower section up to the top. Secure the junction of the 2 sections with a claw clip, then release the top sections of your hair. Isn't it really very easy? But it's still not as easy as the last method in this video. Create a regular ponytail using any elastic band. Divide the ponytail into 2 sections, top and bottom. Throw the top part over the top and secure it with a claw clip slightly above the elastic band, making sure to catch the elastic band. Release the top section of hair and your hairstyle is complete. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to let me know which method you like the best. See you in the next video. Bye!